This brand is made in Canada and is available through dealers in the USA and Canada, but their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands. The i42 series features heat pumps with backup electric heat, and they are available in 4 sizes. They have durable and quiet inverter compressors and a 10.8 EER efficiency, as well as room freeze protection and electronic defrost controls. The COM42 series offers cooling units with electric heating or heat pump models with standard rotary compressors. The brand offers a variety of models that are designed to replace old models from all of the major brands. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.